Welcome to today's featured car video, and it is a 1967 Dodge Charger in this great silver blue color with the dark blue bucket seat interior. If you notice, it has bucket seats in the front and in the rear with center consoles on both, which is a nice touch. I don't know what size engine it had because there was no call out on the fender, so we'll assume it probably had the base 318 engine. Although you could get up to this is the first year you could get the 440 engine, and including last year 1966 models, you could get the Hemi engine, the 426 Hemi, which was also available on this car. This one probably does not have it because there's no call out on the fender, which I imagine it would have if it was indeed a Hemi. And since the hood wasn't open, I couldn't tell, and I forgot to check the VIN. As far as production numbers go, they built 15,788 of these in 1967. And the base price on them was $3,128. And they had a 117-inch wheelbase. Overall length was 203.6 inches. Width was 75.8 inches. And the front track was 59.5 inches. The rear track was 58.5 inches. The shipping weight was 3,480 pounds. So that was about average for a car back in the mid-60s. And as far as the production numbers for the 2 years, in 1966, they sold 37,344. And then, like I said, 1967, they sold 15,788 of them. And when they went to the 1968 model, which was a redesign, that one really took off. The sales went up to 96,100 for 1968. But anyway, this is a real nice car. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was definitely a standout. And you really don't see these hardly at all anymore. In fact, in the 5 years that I've been doing this channel, this is the first 1967 model that I've done. And I have one 1966 model that I did back in a few years back, a bright red one, which you can check that video out if you get a chance, if you're interested. But this one was a beauty, that's for sure. But I'm going to include some more pictures here that I have of it, and enjoy looking at it. And thanks for checking in today. Hopefully you made it this far. If you did and you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and share this video with a friend. And we appreciate you watching, and we appreciate all our loyal viewers. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for checking in. We've reached the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in today. If you like what you saw, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Share this video with a friend. Leave a comment or suggestion. Be nice. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.